he's gone. He was right here.
Tom.
Tom, where are you?
His sleeping bag is empty, and his backpack is on the ground. This is not funny anymore. Tom would never leave without telling us.
Look at this bag. He didn't even take his flashlight.
That shiny rock was not here before.
Why is it glowing like that? I really don't like this.
Guess what I have in my hand, everybody?
If that is homework, I'm moving out.
These are 4 plane tickets to Hawaii for summer vacation.
No way! Are you serious right now?
Hawaii? Like beaches, waves, and palm trees?
Best summer ever! I'm already packed in my mind!
Please don't pack in your heart. Pack real clothes.
And maybe 1 brain cell for the trip, too. Hawaii is beautiful, exciting, and full of stories.
It's the kind of place that feels magical the second you arrive.
Look, I'm doing the island dance already. You look less like a dancer and more like a confused chicken.
That may be the worst dance I have ever seen.
That means I'm unforgettable, and I'll take it.
We made it, and wow, this air smells amazing.
It smells like sunshine and vacation.
Aloha, welcome to Hawaii.
Aloha, and thank you. This is such a warm welcome.
Look at all this food. I want to try everything.
I want pancakes first, and then more pancakes.
These mangoes and papayas are so fresh.
I didn't know fruit could taste this good.
In Hawaii, aloha can mean hello, goodbye, love, and peace.
That is one very busy word. Aloha. Did I say it right?
Yes, that was great, and you already sound friendly. Mahalo means thank you.
Mahalo, because you brought me more syrup and saved my pancake.
Mahalo nui loa means thank you very much.
I'm gonna use that when Dad buys me shaved ice.
A hui hao means see you later.
That sounds cooler than just saying goodbye.
Ole pilikia means no problem.
Great, because I plan to make at least 3 vacation mistakes today.
Kokua means help or support.
Good, because I may need kokua to get sunscreen on all 4 of us.
Pau means finished or done.
Then my pancakes are pow, and my stomach is happy. Aloha, mahalo, ahui ho. I feel smart now.
Careful. Too much learning at breakfast may be dangerous.
Do you already have plans for your trip?
We have a map, a rental budget, and almost no idea. There are too many amazing places to choose from.
That is a very nice problem to have.
Yes, Kīlauea is one of the most famous active volcanoes in the world.
Okay, that sounds a little scary and very awesome.
You should visit Hawaii Volcanoes National Park first.
Wait, a real volcano? Like actual lava and smoke?
You can also watch Hula and enjoy a luau with music and local food.
I love trips that come with dancing and dinner.
There is surfing and snorkeling on beautiful beaches, too.
That sounds perfect, unless a fish steals my goggles.
Oahu is lively, Maui is romantic, Kauai is wild, and the Big Island is huge.
So every island has its own personality, like people.
Local villages are warm and welcoming, and people really live the aloha spirit. That is exactly the kind of place I want my kids to remember.
You can also visit Umauma Falls and Kualoa Ranch for amazing nature.
Please stop. Our vacation is not long enough for all this.
Let's go see the volcano first. That has to be number 1.
Done. Volcano first, and then we build the rest of the trip later.
This place has every kind of car. Can we get one that looks cool and not one that looks like homework?
We need a car big enough for 4 people and camping gear.
Good choice, because your kids look like they pack like professionals.
Whoa, this car has tents, chairs, and everything.
Yep. Now we are a road trip team.
I call the window seat because I need the best volcano view.
Fine, but I call first snack rights. Look at those mountains and clouds.
Oh, this place feels like a movie set.
Do you think we'll really see lava? I hope yes, but from a very safe distance.
All right, team, we made it to the park.
And now the adventure officially begins.
Aloha, I'm Kawika, and I'll show you the best spots today.
Perfect, because without help, I might lead us into a bush.
Stay close and watch your step, because the ground can be rough.
This place already feels like another planet. Wow, it's glowing like the earth is breathing fire.
It's beautiful, but it also makes me feel very small.
In Hawaiian stories, Kīlauea and Halemaumanyu are the sacred home of Pele, the volcano goddess.
So this place is not just nature, it's part of a legend.
Yes, that's right. People say Pele helped shape the Hawaiian Islands with fire and power.
That makes this place feel even more magical.
She is known as powerful, passionate, and sometimes unpredictable. So basically, never make a volcano goddess mad.
This rock looks awesome. I want to keep it.
No, please put it back right away.
There is a famous story called Pele's Curse, and people say taking lava rocks brings bad luck.
Son, when the local guide says no cursed rocks, we listen.
Fine, I don't need cursed souvenirs in my backpack.
Good choice, because I do not want haunted luggage in our car. Wait, did you see that sparkle over there?
Yes, and that does not look like a normal rock.
This has to be a treasure clue or something. Or a trap, but honestly, both are exciting. Don't tell Mom and Dad yet. I'm not promising anything, but okay for now.
The sky is getting darker, so let's set up camp.
Good plan. And tonight we get volcano stars for free. I know how to do this, and I totally remember the tent instructions. Ugh.
That is exactly what people say right before disaster.
Dad, the door is facing a bush.
That bush deserves a nice view, too.
Move that pole to the other side and stop fighting the tent.
I'm not fighting it, I'm negotiating with it.
Look, it shines more when the sky gets dark.
That is either very cool or very bad news. Maybe this leads to hidden gold or an old secret cave.
If we find treasure, I want the bigger half.
Stay close to camp tonight and do not wander near the crater.
Understood. We'll keep it safe and simple.
And remember, if you see anything strange, call for help.
Don't worry, strange things usually find us first.
All right, everybody in sleeping bags and no late night adventures.
I wasn't planning one, but now it sounds interesting. Please tell me you didn't keep that shiny rock.
I only kept it for a little while, not forever.
Mom! Wake up! Tom is gone!
What do you mean he's gone? He was right here. Tom.
Tom, where are you?
His sleeping bag is empty, and his backpack is on the ground. This is not funny anymore. Tom would never leave without telling us.
Look at this bag. He didn't even take his flashlight.
That shiny rock was not here before.
Why is it glowing like that? I really don't like this.
Kawika, Tom is missing, and we think he may be near the crater.
Stay where you are. I'm coming now.
Stay close and watch every step.
We will meet Kawika soon, then we will start searching for him.